去红合作英国上伟大摇滚乐团 Beatles， 最近上新的纪录片当中是记录因头一届去美国造成轰动的画面，咱做伙来看。
What do you like about the Beatles?
1964年的2月初9，披头士是第一摆伫美国登台演出，小音效甲遮厉害歌迷是足因的车，甲华盛顿露天体育场客甲满满满。这场景即马伫新推出的纪录片内面，第一摆互大家知。推上这个作品的奥斯卡大导演马丁·史科西斯印象阁诚深。
I remember it vividly. For me, it's kind of it's really interesting for the audience, the younger people, to see this and understand that there was no British music scene before that.
披头士伫1960年伫英国的利物浦成军，迄当阵无人想到这4个查某囡仔，可有激情色彩的创作专辑，伫英国水称红，甚至阁超过英国，甲美国流行音乐市场嘛收落来。
When we came, it was quite shortly after Kennedy had been assassinated. Maybe America needed something like the Beatles to be lifted out of sorrow.
披头士创作要角之一的保罗·麦卡尼伫片内面讲，因为去掠着少年人爱讲的词，可能就是传了红调的关键。
We'd written the song "She Loves You" in the next room, and my dad was in the other room, so we came in to play it to him first time. She loves you, yeah, 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 and he's going. And at the end of it, he said, "Boys," he said, "it's very nice, but couldn't you sing 'She Loves You'? Yes, yes, yes." He said, "There's enough of these Americanisms around."
披头士虽然伫1970年代解散，开始行家己的路，后壁约翰·南农伫1980年，互人开唱单时，乔治·哈里森伫2001年的11月，因为肺癌过身，敢若剩保罗·麦卡尼和林哥·史达，即马嘛是继续伫乐坛拍拼。经过超过半世纪，因当初时去到美国，结果变作全球的大名星，因的音乐嘛继续开发未来音乐人。公司新闻张惠敏编译。